If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these really cute, hot pink, bright rubber sandals into these lovely embellished with pearl and rhinestone sandals, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I'm going to be adding some embellishments to these cute little slides. And there's just some little two-strap slides. They're going to be for a little girl who's turning 11 or 12. And I think these are like a size 9, 8 or 9 in women's. They're really sturdy. They're actually pretty cute. It says, I guess they're by a brand called Top Moda. Her mom said that she doesn't care what I do to them. I can pretty much do what I want, which is always really cool when I have no idea what I want to do. But I picked out some pink clear and some pink pearls and some pinkish rhinestones. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I think I just want to just scatter some all over, like just dot some on. So I was thinking about sanding them, but I don't know that I want to do the whole thing because I don't really want to interfere too much with these straps, just in case they need to be adjusted. I don't know, because this one is adjusted differently than this one. So I may have to message her mom and see, did she adjust this way or did they come like that? I'm going to be using some Bob Smith glue, which is a very nice strong adhesive, and I'll be using a wax pickup tool. I'll wipe them down with alcohol, but I don't think I'm going to do any sanding today. I'm just going to, and then for me testing this Bob Smith glue, I've used it on a surface that was rubber and I didn't sand it and it held up extremely well. I wasn't able to pull it off. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start out with adding very small dots of this glue. And I'm going to make sure that they're teeny tiny spots because I'm adding just a simple rhinestone and a simple pearl just in its own little area. And I have to be careful not to make sure that that glue drags as I'm making my dots, because if it does drag, that little piece of glue will turn white and ashy and it will not be able to be wiped off. So I'm just taking my rhinestones, picking them up and sitting them there, making sure they don't slide or anything. And this design is very simple, but it's absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad I decided to do these this way. I love them. This glue is about $12 on Amazon. It's very strong. It's definitely industrial strength. The smell isn't too bad. It's not as bad as E6000, but this glue definitely does what it's supposed to do. Oh, and just in case you're wondering how much I charged her for this, I only charged her $25, but she did pay me $30. So she did give me a tip because she really liked how the shoes came out. This is not something that I just offer for anyone. I only take on certain little projects from people that I know. And I thought that that was a fair price. It didn't take me that long. Okay, so I have the dots already on here. And I'm trying to move kind of quickly, but not too quick. I absolutely love this. I'm sure you all probably heard this saying, sometimes less is more. I think this is so dainty and just so pretty. I just have to make sure that it doesn't slide. You have to be very careful with this glue because, for one, it will cloud up your project and it's no turning back. But this glue is very strong. Very strong, very heavy duty. It cures fully in less than 24 hours. So it's a really quick cure. And I just think this looks really pretty. I love it. I'm just gonna finish up. Using a wax pickup tool makes it a lot easier to pick up the rhinestones and pearls. Some people prefer to use some type of tweezer or something else. Whatever you prefer to use, that's perfectly fine. You can purchase a wax pickup tool on Amazon, or I have them available for sale on my website, myroyalradiance.com. Okay, so I'm almost finished. These are coming together beautifully. And the 12-year-old girl that's going to wear these on her birthday is going to Disney World. These are very comfortable, and she's going to have some cute little sparkle hitting off her shoes while she's walking around at Disney World. I think these are an absolute great choice for a long day of walking because they have that nice thick sole on them. These were, I'm so excited about these shoes. They were very fun to make, and they're almost finished. Okay, you guys, here is the final result of these cute little summer sandal slides. They are so pretty. I didn't have any specific pattern or anything. I just know that I wanted to use the pearls, the rhinestones, 2 different size rhinestones. I went with like a 3mm and a 5mm size, and I went with I believe a 6mm pink pearl, and it came together so nice. And they definitely liked them. The mother and daughter, they definitely liked them. And I did go ahead after the fact, adjust the slide to make sure that they were both even, and I did add more rhinestones to this other side of the straps because they were in an award ceremony when I texted her and asked her, and they did buy these like this. Her daughter did not readjust this herself. As you can see right there, it had been adjusted, so I went ahead and took care of that. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up or share it on Facebook. And you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.